All right, guys, April the 6th, we just got to our second job out here. It says Woodstock, but it's more like Milton area. And I just had another consultation come in from Alpharetta. She booked for Thursday morning. So also, this is Michael. Michael has been following me on Facebook. He said, Courtney, I've been following you for years, seeing your work. And when I saw you restoring the floors without sanding, that's what I wanted. And also when I came out here to do, because he also did an in-home consultation, his neighbor actually had me come over and look at their floors. Originally, they wanted to go with a sanding because they wanted to make the floors darker. But they said, Courtney, at our age, we don't, because my sanding guy said it will take him at least 4 to 5 days to sand the floors. And they were like, Courtney, we'll just redo the proposal for the 1-day refinishing, screen and recoat, because we don't want to, inconvenience our home for 4 to 5 days. And that's one of the things, guys, with sanding, compared to the 1-day system, it does take multiple days, even sometimes weeks, depending on the square footage and also, what you're doing to the floors. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so I just asked my client, Michael, if it's okay if we DoorDash us some food because we did not have time to stop for lunch. And Tavar is hungry, want to make sure he stays fed. Also, shout out to Christian. Michael said Christian came out and moved all the furniture by himself. So he said Christian moved all the furniture this morning. That's the guy that I recommend to move the furniture. And he's coming back tomorrow to put the furniture back. Now, this floor has, he told me, Courtney, probably over 15 to 20 years of wax on this floor. Guys, when there is that much wax on the floor, sometimes trying to chemically strip it off can become a nightmare. So I have a system where we basically just lightly sand it off. We take our time, okay, and we just lightly sand it off, and we work in grits. So on this floor, I started with a 120. Then I'm going to go down to a 180. The 120 is just trying to get most of the wax off. Just like sanding the floor, we go through a lot of our pads because they do get clogged up of the wax heating up. But I would just rather take the time and do it this way than going through the chemical part. All right, so we got this right here. Now you can see how much wax is on the floor when they pull the rugs up. And then we got this foyer. And you see right there, guys? Then down that hallway, and then in here in the kitchen. So that's Tavares right there. And like I said, we're just lightly taking it off. And you can see it's powdering up. So long as it's powdering up, that's what we want. But again, we're gonna go through a lot of paper, a lot of pads to get all this wax off. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Walk on that house. Whoa. Walked in that house. Hear the floor look tight. Wax powder thick, like it lost its fire. Couldn't see the grain, couldn't feel the wood. Just a cloudy mess where beauty once stood. Mr. Michael said, man, I seen what you do. I've been watching your work, I'm counting on you. I said it's in there, just buried deep. Gotta strip it down, wake it from sleep. Too much buildup, yeah, choke that flow. Had to sand it down just to find it once more. Not just cleaning all this rebuild work, bringing life back where it used to to hurt under all that wax. There was life still there. Had to fight through layers just to bring it to air. Now it's shining right. Yes, breathing again. From a worn out past to a brand new end. Under all that wax, we found that soul, brought the color back. Now it's feeling whole. One day turn around, yeah, we did it fast. Now that floor look better than it ever has. Screen it down smooth, now the surface right. Color correction, bringing warmth to the light. You can see it shift, tone coming alive. Every pass we make got that wood revive. Seal coat laid down, yeah, locked it tight like a handshake bond. Now it's holding right. Then that red coat flow, yeah, glide so clean. Even finish laid like a perfect dream. Yeah, it ain't just flows, it's what people feel when they walk back in, and it all look real. From dull to rich, from lost to found, that's that Truman touch. Yeah, we put it down under all that wax. There was life still there. Had to fight through layers just to bring it to air. Now it's shining right. Yes, breathing again. From a worn out past to a brand new end. Under all that wax, was a masterpiece. Was a masterpiece. Yeah, the floor looked tight, wax piled up thick, like it lost its fight. Couldn't see the grain, couldn't feel the wood.
See you on the 15th.
And Christian's going to come.
Okay.
Morning.
Yep, just like Michael.
He said.
Yep.
So we'll be all set to go.
Thank you. Well, thank you for coming by. Michael loves his floors.
I love it. I love it.
Thank you.
This it needed some TLC.
Needed some TLC, and that's what they got today.
So we'll look forward to seeing you
On the 15th, next Wednesday.
Thank you, Mike. Yes, sir.
All right, guys. I am doing the UV. That's my client. I'm actually going to be doing his floors next Wednesday. He's the neighbor of Michael, and Michael was just showing off the floors of how good the floors look. And guys, they came out incredible. Also, shout out to my guy Aaron. Aaron came by, gave us a hand. So you guys, you remember all around here, you can see that outline where they went around the rugs for over 20 years, putting that wax on the floor. And that's what they love, guys. What Mike was telling him, done in a day. Now, Michael did go with a semi-gloss finish. He wanted some sheen to his floors, as you see. And that's what it's about, guys. When you do good work, man, people will rave about you. They'll tell their neighbors, their friends. Here it is. I'm doing Michael's floors. He's been following me almost 2 years on YouTube. And he said, Courtney, from the day I started watching you, I love your videos, how you take passion in what you do. And he said, when I ever needed my floors done, I knew who I was going to call. All right, guys. We're going to go ahead and finish getting this floor UV cured. Christian will be coming back tomorrow morning to put the furniture back. And then tomorrow we have 2 projects. We have a project in right in the heart of Atlanta, right by the state capitol. New client. We're going to be doing her marble countertops and also screen recoat with UV cure. And then we're going to be going back to the luxury apartment complex, which I still cannot remember their name to this day. This will be the 14th unit I will be doing for them within the last year. The engineered floor like we did this morning that cannot be sanded. Every time they have one that needs to be done, they give me a call, and me and T go out there and make it happen. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.